Spend all your time waiting for that second chance, hoping that would make it okay. There's always some reason not feeling good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction. Oh, beautiful memories seep from my veins. Let me be empty. Oh, and wait, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight. In the arms of the angel. Fly away from here. On this cold, dark hotel room, and the endlessness that you feel. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent will. In the arms of the angel, and you find some comfort here. So I'm tired of the straight line, and everywhere you turn, there's vultures and pigs at your back. The storm keeps on twisting. You keep on building the lies that you make up for all that you lack. It don't make no difference. Escape one last time. It's easier to believe in this sweet madness. Oh, this glorious sadness that brings me to my knees. In the arms of the angel, fly away from here. On this cold, dark hotel room, and the endlessness that you feel. You are pulled from your wreckage of your silent reveal. And in the arms of the angel, you find some comfort here.